Hello, this is a game that I made on Unity, which is a game engine, which is basically an app that people use to make games. The programming language that I use to make this game is C Sharp, which is a language that comes from C, which was one of the first languages ever created. Well, not quite, but it was one of the first more modern languages that was ever created. The game consists of your cube that's always moving forward, and there are obstacles or blocks that you're trying to avoid. If you hit a block, the level will restart. There's 5 levels, and to win the game, you just have to complete all the levels without crashing into anything. So, see, if you crash into something, the game stops and you restart. And on top, there's a score, which is basically how many meters you've gone. And once you finish a level, it'll display level complete and it'll move you to the next level. Everything in this world of the video game has physics, so when I hit a block, the block will move, and as you just saw before this, I fell off the map and my player cube started spinning. I didn't focus too much on level design, so some levels that are later on in the game are easier than others, some levels that are later in the game are harder than others. Like here, I can't really get past this first part, but the second part is really easy. I didn't really focus on level design as well because it's really easy. You can just go on the side and beat the level really quickly, but I still need to work on my level design a tiny bit, but otherwise I think this game is really cool, and thank you for watching.